The 2025 RV electric camper marks a bold new era of travel freedom, where sustainability meets cutting-edge design. Built entirely around a powerful all-electric drivetrain, this camper is engineered for travelers who want to reduce their environmental footprint without sacrificing comfort or capability. At its core is a high-capacity battery system delivering over 300 miles of range on a single charge. With fast charging technology, you can add up to 150 miles in just 30 minutes, making even long-distance adventures smooth and stress-free. The exterior design is striking yet functional, with smooth, aerodynamic lines that help maximize efficiency. A futuristic front fascia integrates slim LED headlights and an illuminated badge that signals its electric identity. Solar panels seamlessly cover the roof, constantly topping up the auxiliary battery system that powers interior amenities, lights, and climate control. Integrated awnings deploy at the touch of a button, expanding the living space into the outdoors with shaded comfort. Step inside and the 2025 electric camper feels like a boutique apartment on wheels. Every inch is optimized for livability, with sustainable materials, recycled wood trim, and soft-touch eco-leather upholstery. A panoramic skylight runs the length of the ceiling, flooding the space with natural light during the day and offering a perfect view of the stars at night. Adjustable smart tint technology lets you control privacy and brightness instantly. The living area features a modular lounge that easily converts into a queen-sized bed. Built-in storage hides beneath every seat, while a swivel table doubles as a work-from-anywhere desk or family dining spot. Surround sound speakers and a retractable OLED display turn movie nights into a luxury experience. Energy-efficient LED lighting throughout the cabin is fully customizable to match the mood, from bright task lighting to soft ambient glows. In the kitchen, a sleek induction cooktop, convection microwave, and high-efficiency electric fridge make it easy to prepare meals on the go. Countertops are crafted from recycled composite materials, combining durability with a premium finish. Clever sliding cabinets and magnetic organizers keep everything secure while driving. A water filtration system ensures clean, drinkable water from any source, while a smart app tracks usage and notifies when filters need replacing. The bathroom is equally impressive, with a fully enclosed shower, composting toilet, and ample storage for toiletries. Water-saving fixtures help extend the onboard fresh water supply, while the gray water system includes filtration for minimal environmental impact. Ventilation is whisper-quiet yet highly effective, maintaining a comfortable climate in all conditions. Technology is at the heart of the 2025 electric camper experience. A central touchscreen control panel handles lighting, temperature, battery status, and water levels, while a companion app lets you manage it all remotely. Navigation is optimized for electric routes, displaying charging stations along your path and even reserving charging slots automatically. Built-in Wi-Fi keeps everyone connected, whether you're working remotely or streaming content off the grid. Safety hasn't been overlooked. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering the RV easy, even in tight spots. Regenerative braking recaptures energy on descents, improving efficiency and extending range. Above all, the 2025 RV electric camper represents a vision for the future of travel that is sustainable, comfortable, and liberating. It's designed for those who want to go further without leaving a trail of carbon behind, opening up new possibilities for exploring the world with minimal environmental impact. Wherever you roam, from national parks to city streets, this electric camper turns every journey into an opportunity to live more